Yes, look at that sky. The sun has come out and we are sailing on the Maroubra Lagoon up here in the Solomon Islands. We just come around the corner, around that corner there where Quito is, and we did some trading, and we bought some lovely presents for Darren. And now we're on the Maroubra Lagoon. We're heading north a little bit. We were on the other side of that island. There's another little set of islands on the other side over there called Pori Pori. But I can take a bit of time to film because the water's deep through here. Like you can see over there in some other places where it gets shallow. But this is Maroubra Lagoon at its best. This is what we've waited for. And there's a beautiful little anchorage just up the road up here a little bit further. You can see up there in the distance that gap. That's called Kongoro, another gap that takes you out to the ocean. So we need to go up there somewhere. That's Pori Pori Island on the right, and the other one is Meitu Island on the left, behind those other little islands. So we're just going to thread our way up through there for our overnight anchorage. We might stay there 2 nights, depending how nice it is. But we had a bit of a detour this morning into Quito, which is just on the other side of this little island here. I'll just duck over the other side of the boat. But you can, oh man, look at this is just beautiful. And that's called, geez, these names are hard. Batuna. That's a little township here, that's the main sort of township, Batuna. So there's post office and little government building there. Oh, yeah, that's okay, I've got 20 metres of water, so that's fine. And just these little islands with houses dotted on top. It's a spectacular sort of country. That's the main island there of Vaganu. I could be here all day trying to pronounce these names. But you know, like some more buildings down there. All seem to be fairly well constructed. You know, a fair bit of building got into them. So I don't know whether there's a fair bit of input from the church. This is mostly a Seventh-day Adventist sort of townships, so whether or not they get a fair bit of funding from our good friends. Someone's good friends. But yeah, it's all nice. You know, beautiful sailing. And up through there is Uepi, so let's head up through that way. How am I going? Yeah, that's not too bad. 21 metres. I always got to check these depths because it can just come up real quick. And it's very pretty. The diesel's a bit of a rest. Go Aussie. But yeah, now we're going to try and get some more vessels to come up this way. You know, I mean, we wouldn't have found this place unless Peter Granger come out and say, "Oh, come back." So we did, and you know, it was good. All the people are happy to see the yachts, and we got some really good carvings, like high quality stuff. Cost a bit of money and a bit of barter, but I mean, I'm quite happy. So that's our day down this part of the Maroubra Lagoon.